Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MG Flasher BMW ECU tuning app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MG Flasher is a professional-grade app designed for BMW owners and automotive enthusiasts to optimize their vehicle's engine performance. The app enables ECU remapping, performance tuning, real-time monitoring, and diagnostics. Users can adjust fuel maps, turbo settings, and other engine parameters to enhance power, efficiency, and overall driving dynamics. It's aimed at both experienced tuners and tech-savvy car owners seeking precise control over their BMW's engine. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users value MG Flasher's detailed interface and the level of customization it allows. The app delivers precise tuning options, monitors engine data in real time, and helps improve driving performance while maintaining safety. Its advanced tools give users the ability to tailor their BMW's engine characteristics according to personal preferences. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users warn that improper use can affect warranty or engine reliability, and technical knowledge is necessary to use it safely. Additionally, it's BMW-specific, so it's not suitable for other car brands. In summary, the MG Flasher app may be worth using if you want to achieve precise BMW ECU tuning, optimize engine performance, and monitor vehicle data in real time. However, if you are not technically confident or own a non-BMW vehicle, this app might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.